Alright guys, let's solve this equation together. It says x raised to power 32 is equal to 2 raised to power x. Now, the first observation you will notice is that you have x as a base and you have x as a power. And usually this is the point where I tell you guys to use the Lambert's W formula. Are we going to use it here? Let's find out. The first thing to do is to multiply each power by its inverse, or by the inverse of the powers. So we have 1 over 32 multiplying 32, and we have 1 over x multiplying x, but then we'll do it on both sides. Okay, so 1 over 32 multiplying 32, and then you have 1 over 32 multiplying x. So it means that 32 will eliminate 32. Okay, so we have x raised to power. Now 1 over x also multiply this side, so we have 1 over x remaining, and here we have 2 raised to power 1 over 32. Okay, so this is how fast we simplify this. Now, at this point, you can notice a trend, a partial trend at this point. You're seeing x raised to power 1 over x, and you're seeing 2 raised to power 1 over 32. Okay, now, this point, you're seeing a power raised to power, sorry, a variable raised to a variable, right? But then how do we solve this to avoid using the Lambert's W formula? Now, if you look here, you can see that you can use the equivalent fractions here. So remember, you have 2 raised to power 1 over 32 on this side. If we decide to multiply this by 2 over 2, for example, we get 2. 2 will take 2, which is 2 squared, alright? And then we have 64. So we have 2 squared, which is what? 4. And then we have 1 over 64. Okay, so we'll do the same thing again. We'll multiply it by 2 over 2. Again, we have 4 squared, and 4 squared is what? 16. And then we have what? 1 over 64 times 2 is 128. We go again, alright? Times 2 over 2. 16 squared is 256. Alright? And then we have 1 over 128 times 2 is 256, alright? And this is, remember that this is equal to x raised to power 1 over x. Alright? Now you can now notice a trend. So you're seeing that you have x raised to power 1 over x and you have 256 raised to power 1 over 256. What does this tell us? It means that since you have x and you have 256 here, and you have x and you have 256 here, it means that x becomes equal to 256. And this becomes the correct answer to this question.